Okay, so just want to give a quick recap of this trade I took on Euro USD. So if we look at the 4-hour or higher time frames, well, daily is bullish anyways. 4-hour, we're clearly making the structure sort of high, low, high, something like that. But on the 1 hour and 45 minute, it's very clean. So if I just replay up till there, then structure is basically doing this: low, high, low, high. And so I was expecting coming in today to get this. We're in a perfect discount from this to this high. We're in discounted prices right here. This is all discount. Plus, if we look at some key supply demand zones, we have this wick, which acts as a very nice demand zone, which caused a break of structure, which caused an imbalance, which has inducement in the form of equal lows and equal or trendline liquidity. So then coming into session today, we have news at 10 o'clock. So if there's news at 10 o'clock, then I want to close 15 minutes before news, even if it's a manual close. So 10 o'clock, which means that I will close my position at, so there's 10 o'clock there, so I will close my position 15 minutes before, so 9:45. So right there. So that is when I want to be out of the trade, 9:45. Now, in order to be out of the trade by 9:45, I want to have at least 45 minutes of my trade running, whether it goes to a loss, take profit, whatever. I want 45 minutes. So 9:45 minus 45 is 9 o'clock right there. So that is when I want to be tagged in at the latest. So if I'm tagged in at 9:05, I don't want to take the trade because I only have 40 minutes then for the trade to play out. It can, but I just want to be in there for 45 minutes. So now I've got all of that set. Coming into session, what do we see? Asia gets swept right there. London kicks in right here at 7 o'clock UK time. And then I want to see some sort of reaction. So nothing was going on right there. Then something starts to happen on the 15-minute. But this is what interested me on the 10-minute. So a lot of wick rejections and a strong push up. Then what else did we see? We saw a change of character right there. So the high here is 906, the high here is 906 as well. So it's technically equal, but if you look here, it's clearly not equal. So that was my break of structure. Plus we had this imbalance form right there. So I'll just delete all of this because you already know that we're on the POI. So all of that happened. Then pretty much I was just entering right there. So I got interested when this was closed and this one was forming. Okay, that's when I was interested. And then pretty much 5-minute I took the entry like that. Stop loss was, so something like this. I had a 6 pip stop actually, so it's quite a large stop because I had 5 pips initially, but then I was like, it's a bit too tight, so I increased it to 6 and they 1 to 2 right there. We got tagged in and literally we just went up. We got tagged in and little to no drawdown. That's pretty much it. That's a take profit. Now in terms of other entries, what you could have taken, you could have also taken an entry right here at the imbalance. So it would have looked something like this: top of the imbalance 1 2 3, bottom 4 pip right there. You could have gone with, increase it to maybe 6 pip. You would have still hit a 1 to 2 right there. There's also a 1-minute entry, but I didn't really like this because although it was valid, it just didn't show me enough momentum right there. Change of character right there. High, low. Enter at the EQ, 4 pips minimum. So that would have hit your 1 to 2 very quickly, but you would have had to deal with a bit more drawdown. But that's pretty much it. That was a trade. I hope you got value, and I will see you in the next one. Happy trading. Stay safe.